Good morning, lovely students. How are you all? It's been so long, right? I hope you all are safe and fine at your home. We all are once again connected with each other virtually, which is really very good thing. And I'm glad to meet you again. I'm your science teacher, Ms. Zainab Khan. I know you worked really hard for your periodicals, but it's time to move towards online classes. Right, students? And for this, you need to mention your name, class, and section in the comment box for your attendance. And at the same time, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we'll be learning new topics of chapter number 4, our skeletal system. Chapter 4, our skeletal system. And this will be the last video of this particular chapter, in which we will cover cartilage and muscles. So today I'll be teaching you all about cartilage and muscles, and for that you need to take out your rough copy to note down some important points. So here we are having cartilage, and today we'll learn about cartilage and muscles also. But first of all, we'll move with cartilage. So cartilage is a hard elastic substance that covers the ends of bones at a joint. And you know kids, cartilage plays really very important role in a human body. If you want to note it down, then you can note this definition in your rough copy. And now I'm going to show you a few images of cartilage. So kids, here you can see an image of cartilage, and look it very carefully. This one is your cartilage, okay? You can see various other pictures also. Again, this one is your cartilage. As you know kids, cartilage is a hard elastic substance, okay? This is really hard kind of a elastic substance that covers the ends of bones, okay? It covers the ends of bones. And you know why? Look at this. It protects the bones by preventing them from rubbing against each other. If cartilage would not be there, then it might be possible that bones will come more closer and they will rub against each other, which is not good. Cartilage also gives shape and support to our ears and nose. As I told you just now, it protects the bones by preventing them from rubbing against each other. So, cartilage is an important structural component of the body. You must remember this. So it's time to learn something new about muscles, and this is the last topic of this chapter number 4, our skeletal system. Okay kids, there are more than 600 muscles in the human body. How many? More than 600 muscles in the human body. Muscles along with the joints help parts of our body to move. Remember, without muscles, we will not be able to move our body because muscles are joined with the bones. And you know how? See, muscles are attached to bones by tendons. Just because of tendon over here, muscle is attached to a bone. So tendons also plays really very important part in our body. You can also see here, this portion is your tendon, okay? This one is your muscle and this is your bone. So muscle and bone, they both are attached with each other just because of this tendon. I hope this image is really very clear to you all. Stay focused, kids. Muscles can be voluntary and involuntary. Okay? In other words, we can say we are having two types of muscles. First one is voluntary muscles and second one is involuntary muscles. So let's have a look at this one by one. Voluntary muscles, muscles whose movements we can control. Okay, so we can control the movement of muscles. And example, muscles of our arms and legs. We can easily control the muscles of our arms and legs, and thus it is known as voluntary muscles. Second one, we are having involuntary muscles. Muscles whose movements we cannot control. Okay? It's not in our hand to control the movement. That is known as involuntary muscles. For example, muscles of heart and lungs. You know it very well. We cannot control our heart and lungs. So this is the main difference between voluntary and involuntary muscles. And you all have successfully completed this chapter. And kids, your homework will be, you will learn the major difference between voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles with examples. Okay? So till then, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe.